Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a simple keyword research tutorial that you can use with AI to rank any affiliate site. So if you start off with keyword research as I'm about to show you, you will be streets ahead and you will have keywords that are very targeted and keywords that you can rank for. And you can obviously expand on this as well, that I'm going to talk about in this video. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do like, do subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to grab your free income stream. It's in the description, the link's there, and it will be a complete video guide for free that helps you get set up with an income stream that you can have up and running in the next week and start making money. So it's one of the easiest income streams and one of the best. So do check that out. That's totally free for you, and you can be watching that video today and be getting on with that good stuff. Okay, so let's get straight into it. What am I going to show you today? Keyword research in 2024. Lot of confusion, a lot of different methods. The main reason that this works for you, you can do it with AI, is because you're focused in on key phrases that actually lead to sales. So I would recommend this for affiliate sites. You can also use this keyword research method for business. For businesses, anyone that is purchasing a product or service, this will work really well. So I'm using ChatGPT 4. Here's the prompt. I want you to help me come up with keyword clusters for an affiliate site that sells chef knives. So you can just replace the niche with anything you want. I want the keywords to be focused on 4 key phrases, like chef knives for professionals, plus with key phrases that has features of the chef knives. Another area is different uses and key phrases people are searching for. Give me the keywords that I can expand the site on in simple clusters and make sure that they're relevant and easy to rank for. So you can expand on that, but here we go. It's then given me chef knives for professionals, chef knives for home cooks, chef knives for beginners, chef knives for specific cuisines, sushi chefs, French cuisine, with key phrases, so with ergonomic handles, with sharp blades, with non-slip grips, with material, stainless steel blades, Damascus steel blades, Granton edges, and so on. Okay, specific usage and best chef knives for the money. By looking at these, you can see here best affordable chef knives for home cooks. You're targeting the person. You're not going straight into a massive key phrases that you're not going to be able to rank for. And I'll give you an example of this. When we go through to a tool here, SE ranking, if I type in chef knives, you can see all of the content come up, all of the key phrases, but it's going to be competitive. Okay, if we go for key phrases that target the person, best chef knives for professionals, chef knives for home cooks, you're going to get far better results in terms of ranking. It's going to be easier to write the content because we know exactly who we're targeting. And I'll show you a example. So you can see here professional chef knives, 38 in terms of difficulty to rank, and there's still 2,000 searches a month. You've also got best chef knives for home chef. There we go. So that's still on 47, still quite competitive, but it's laser targeted. Professional chef knives with case only has 4 in difficulty and 880 searches in a month. So that doesn't mean write an article for every single piece of these, every single key phrase, but what it does mean is we can group together this information and have one content piece on chef knives for professionals, one content piece on chef knives for home cooks, one content piece for beginners, and mention all of the other stuff needed as subheadings. And then with, because people are buying for or with, they're buying a chef knife in this case for a reason, or they're looking for a certain feature, non-slip grips, durable blades, and so on. So if you start off, and then of course for specific uses, so whatever product, whatever affiliate site, whatever business, start with that prompt and it will give you loads of key phrases. Then you can expand on and go forward to a good keyword tool like SE ranking and get down into the nitty gritty of search volumes, which I'll help you with. I'll post a video on that later this week. So I hope that helps. Do check out your free income stream below. Do subscribe, do like, and I will see you in the next one. Using that, you can pretty much rank anything. So I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers, guys.